is it still worth buying a gaming PC in 2026? Honestly, it depends. A few years ago, this question would have been an easy yes, but now, RAM prices have gone up. Some other PC parts have become more expensive, and building a decent gaming PC costs a lot more than it used to. I think there's two types of people. The first type just wants a PC to play games. That's it. If that's you, bro, you are cooked. I would honestly think twice before spending that kind of money. You are paying more today than people did few years ago for a similar gaming experience. That's just the reality. Now, the second type of person wants a PC not only for gaming, but also for editing videos, streaming, programming, making music, school, or work. In that case, I think it could be worth it because you are getting much more than just a gaming machine. Let's say you are just a regular guy who wants to build a gaming PC in today's economy. To make things simple, I'll use my own PC as an example. I built this PC back in December of 2023. Back then, the total cost for all the parts was around $1,171.96. But look at this. If you try to buy this exact same component today in 2026, the price jumped up to $1,600.64. Here's the crazy part, these aren't even new current generation parts anymore, they are old tech. Back in December 2023, this was a mid-range built for $1,171. Now in 2026, it's outdated, but buying this exact same older component would cost you $1,600. That is insane. Imagine trying to build a brand new actual mid-range PC today with the latest GPU and DDR5 RAM. So the question isn't whether gaming PC are bad, the real question is whether paying today's price makes sense for your situation. So who is responsible for all of this? Well, one of the biggest reasons is AI, and right now huge companies are building AI data centers and they need thousands of GPUs, tons of RAM and other high-end computer parts. Since they are buying so much hardware, there's less of it available for everyone else, and when the demand goes up, prices usually go up too. On the top of that, making computer parts is more expensive than it used to be. The technology is getting more advanced, the factories cost more to run, and the material aren't cheap either. So when you put all of that together, you end up paying more for a gaming PC than you would have a few years ago. Now, if you are the kind of person who actually needs a PC for programming, editing videos, creating content, streaming, school, or work, but if that PC is going to help you learn a skill, get work done, create content, or even make money, it could be worth the investment. You are just not buying it to play games. You're buying a tool you will actually use for something productive. At the end of the day, it's your decision. If you think you will get enough value off of it, then go for it. If not, there's nothing wrong with waiting until price come down or until you are in a better position to buy one.